Some medical news now. Eating less animal-based protein and more plant-based protein could lower your risk of cardiovascular and heart diseases. A study from Harvard found people who ate the highest ratio of plant-based protein had a 19% lower risk of cardiovascular disease and a 27% lower risk of coronary heart disease. Even eating half plant-based and half animal-based protein still provides a significant health benefit, the researchers say. Researchers also say they found a warning sign for Alzheimer's that could be detected 20 years before symptoms even start. It's a specific type of body fat called visceral fat. That's your belly fat. It was associated with higher levels of proteins linked to Alzheimer's. People can reduce their risk of developing both the fat and the disease by making lifestyle changes and losing weight. Cows produce a huge amount of greenhouse gases, but scientists say there is a way to reduce it. A new study found if cows were fed seaweed pellets instead of grass, it reduces their methane emissions by nearly 40% without affecting their health or weight. Livestock account for 14.5% of global greenhouse gases. Whether it is eggnog or champagne, the holidays are high season for festive toasts, but all that extra booze could harm your health, as Michael George reports.
The holidays are a time to toast the season, but there are health consequences with drinking alcohol.
You're supposed to not drink at all. I think it's just a matter of people making decisions for themselves and understanding it's not risk-free.
The World Health Organization says there's no safe amount of alcohol consumption, citing years of research on the risks and harms associated with drinking. All alcoholic drinks, including wine, beer, and liquor, are linked with cancer, according to the CDC.
Alcohol is a real toxin, and it can get inside of cells. It can cause damage to the mitochondria, which make energy. They're the powerhouses of the cells. To the DNA, which can be important in terms of cancer.
Alcohol can increase the risk of esophageal, stomach, and breast cancer, as well as liver disease, cardiovascular disease, and stroke. CBS News chief medical correspondent Dr. John LaPook says less is more in terms of alcohol risk.
Have something in your stomach and have a plan. Say, I'm going to come in here and not like, well, whatever happens, happens. I'm going to think about what I'm going to do. And the first drink should be with something in your stomach.
And make sure to hydrate before, during, and after the holiday party. Michael George, CBS News, New York.